Hello viewers, we have another interesting question to handle today. The question said, if 9 power x plus 27 power x equals 36, what is the value of x? Okay, so let's see how we can solve this as well. Now, we have 9 power x plus 27 power x to be 36. Now, first thing we should look at is what manipulation can we do around, for instance, this particular 27 and 9. We all know that 9 has multiple of 3 in it, right? So let's rewrite it to be, let's say 3 power 2 power x. That's what this 3 power 2 is 9, and we have x, right? Plus, for this portion, we have 3 power 3 raised to the x power. This is 36. This is 3 power 3 is normally 27, right? So I feel this is safe to do. Now, next thing we have to do is we can rewrite this to be 3 power 2x plus 3 power 3x. I believe you can remember the law of indices that gave birth to this. We said if we have anything like a power x raised to y, this is equals to axy, right? So since we're having same situation here, 3 power 2 and x, 2 times x, just like what we did here, right? So, and similar thing here, this is equals to 36. Now we can do something here. We have something that is common here, which is 3 power 2x is the least. So let's take it that way. Let's factor it out. This is 3 power 2x into, if I factor out 3 power 2x here, what I will have left is 1 plus, if I factor out 3 power 2x here, normally I have 3 power 3x. So if I remove 2 of it, is 1 that will be left, right? To be 36. And the reason is, if we are to expand this bracket, we are still going to have this 3 times this will give us 3 power 2x plus 3 power 2x times 3 power x will give us something like 3 power 3x as well. So this is safe to do, right? Next, we can just either equate the brackets, this equals to this equals to this, but there's something I can still do here, right? This can be written as 3 power 2x 1 plus 3, sorry, this is a power x is equals to, I can equate this to be, let's say 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is still 36, right? So I believe it's safe to write it that way. So next is, I want to equate this to be this and this to be this. We are going to have something like 3 power 2x equals 9 for the first part, and also 1 plus 3 power x is equals to 4. Even if I just pick one part and solve, I'm going to have the answer, but I want to take it in two ways such that we can see if our answers will still be the same, right? So now we are having it that for this part, 3 power 2x equals to 3 power 2, because 3 power 2 is 9, right? And for this part, I'll be doing them simultaneously so we can get the answers and compare, right? For this part, 3 power x equals to 4 minus 1. That's if 1 crosses the other side, right? And you know clearly that for this part, this is still going to give me something like 3 power x equals to 3, because 4 minus 1 is what? Is 3, right? Now, 3 power x equals to 3. I can put the power 1 because 3 raised to power 1 is still 3, right? So I can just conclude here. We have the same basis. It implies I will equate the power. So x is equals to 1. That's based on this particular bracket here, right? The situation here and also what I got here. So let's focus on here and see if I will still have x to be 1 before I conclude, right? If I will use this part, we have same basis. That means we can equate the power, right? That means 2x equals to 2. We have 2x, we have 2. Divide both side by 2. 2 cancel 2. 2 cancel 2. We are going to have it that x equals 1, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. You see x equals to 1 and x equals to 1. That means the true value of x is going to be 1. We can substitute and check. This is 9 power 1 plus 27 power 1. Is it going to give us 36? I believe yes. If you just add up this is 9 plus 27, which is 36, and checked.